5 ways to make money online for free. With my journey with making money online, when I first started my journey, I was really searching at the internet, really looking up how many different ways I can make money online. What's out there? What can I do? And the main thing I was looking for is how to make money online for free. So if you want to know how to make money online for free, I'm here to tell you there's lots of money to be made online. There are lots of people out here doing this, making money online, so why not you be one of those people? I'm going to try to give you actually 6 ideas for ways you can make money online for free. No money that you need to put into this. No money involved. Some people say you need money to make money, but there are also ways that you can make money for free. So I'm going to basically go through 6 different things that I can give you guys. Actually, there are a lot other ways out there as well, but I'm just going to give you my 6 favorite things. And let's just get started. So the first way to make money online for free when you have $0 is you can do YouTube. Start a YouTube channel. It's completely free to create a YouTube channel, and you don't need money to this or that. You might need money to invest into certain things like a camera or a computer or something like that. But if you already have those things, then yeah, it's no money involved that you need to put into YouTube. YouTube is one of the best ways to make money online. I think a lot of people either take advantage of YouTube when it comes to their business or are just full-on YouTubers. A lot of people are really starting to, more than ever, realize how cool it is to make money on YouTube, realize how much money these YouTubers are out here making. There's a lot of ways to make money on YouTube, and that is a whole nother video I will make for you guys. But YouTube is great. The only thing about YouTube is it's not guaranteed that you will make money, and I think that's kind of with almost anything. Well, not really, but with just making money online, there are some things that are a little more guaranteed that you will make money, but things that pay a lot more money, like YouTube in general, there is this big possibility. I feel like only 5 or maybe even 1% of YouTubers who have YouTube channels actually make money from YouTube. So it's a lot of time and effort that goes into making a YouTube channel work for you, making money from YouTube. So it's a lot of dedication involved, but you can make money on YouTube completely for free. Don't need to, put any money into it. So that's the first thing you can do. Second thing you can do to make money online is Instagram. Instagram is an app. It's online. You need Wi-Fi. You need internet. There are a lot of people who make money through Instagram. Instagram itself, the app, doesn't pay you, but you can work with brands and this and that and do sponsorship, stuff like that. It's the same thing as YouTube, basically. YouTube and Instagram are very similar when it comes to that part, except YouTube actually does pay you for creating videos if you qualify for that, if you're monetized and all this good stuff. But Instagram, you can work with brands and stuff like that, and you can get paid that way. So yeah, the next thing that you can do, number 3, is a more guaranteed way to make money online, and that is by doing online surveys. So a lot of people either don't trust doing online surveys, or they just have a lot of different opinions, biased opinions on online surveys. I think a lot of people who have these opinions don't take online surveys seriously. Maybe they've tried one survey in the past or one survey site or whatever and just got frustrated and just wrote it off completely, said survey sites don't work, they're scams, whatever. But in my experience with making money online, the first couple $100 I ever made on the internet was through online surveys. Online surveys. One of my favorites that I'll just mention to you guys is this website called Vendale. So I can put the link right in the description for you to check that out. But basically, there are tons of online survey websites out there on the internet that pay you money to do surveys. But Vendel is one of my favorites because they pay you a little bit more money and you can qualify for surveys a bit easier, things like that. I can show a little screenshot of what, the website looks like and things like that. It's definitely a way that I've been making money on the side for, on and off. So it definitely one of my favorite ways of making money online. Now, online survey sites don't pay that much money. They just don't, like you're not going to really see any deep money. You're not going to really be able to make full-time income doing online surveys, but it's a great little part-time thing. It's a great way to make a couple extra dollars a month. Or you can even use that money that you make from online surveys and just save that money. Just save it, save it, save it, and it can turn into, more money. So that's kind of what I'm doing with the money that I've made on Vendel. I'm just going to save that money until it gets to like $1,000 or something, and then I'm just going to cash it out. They pay through PayPal. It's definitely important to look at how these survey sites pay you because you don't want it to be a scam. You don't want to find something that's a scam. I have yet to find a survey website that was a scam, but make sure they pay through PayPal. And yeah, it's guaranteed that you will make money if you do online surveys though, because yeah, you won't qualify for every survey, but if you make an effort, definitely you can see some actual real money by doing online surveys. And I've gotten paid 100% for sure, no problems with doing online surveys like Vendel. So like I said, I'll put the link in the description. The next thing that you can do is a website called Fiverr. I don't know if you heard this website or not. I'm pretty sure you probably have. It's a pretty popular website, but yeah, it's definitely pretty cool. I've definitely taken a look at that website a couple of times, and I see a lot of people really benefiting from that website. I might even like start a gig or something. So it works two different ways. You can either buy gigs from people, like if you want people to do something for you for not that much money, or the price can go up. It varies if that person's a professional or something. But there's a lot of people that offer gigs and things that they can do for you. If you need someone to write a blog post for you, to write something for you, write a book for you, publish something for you, help you with videos, help you with manage your social, there's just a lot of things. On the flip side, you can become someone that makes gigs, so you can make gigs yourself. And I can make a whole video about Fiverr if you want me to. But yeah, you can create gigs yourself, price them for however much you want to. It starts off at about $5. You can do a $5 tier, a $10 tier, $15 tier, whatever. It's all up to you. Like I said, I make a whole video about that. But Fiverr, basically, yeah, you get paid from Fiverr. You don't have to put any money into it at all. You just take advantage of your skills and the things that you can offer to the world, and people can buy from you. So I'll also put the link to that in the description if you want to check that out and want to know a little bit more about that. But I actually will probably be making a video about that soon. The next thing that you can do is writing jobs. I don't want this video to be too long. I feel like it's getting long, but yeah. Next thing is writing jobs. There are a lot of writing jobs out there. If you're a writer, you like to write or type, really typing jobs. But like if you, there are people who have blogs or websites who, need people to write for them. So yeah, I'll put a link if I can find some websites out there like hire writers or something, stuff like that, So yeah, that's just a thing that you can do. Different people know little different hacks with that as well. Like you can actually record your voice and it can translate that into text. So there's a few hacks involved with that, but I actually know some people who are like freelance writers, and that's another thing. You can turn a writing job into freelance writing, and you can have literally people just email you and you can do that whole thing. I don't know the whole world of freelance writing that deep, but I know people who literally make full-time income by doing freelance writing or by using certain websites where people need writing jobs. So that's definitely really cool. And the last thing I wanted to mention are just little task websites, just little websites where you can do little tasks and make money. Maybe I can put an example on the screen, or I can put a link in the description, but something that comes to my mind is kind of Swagbucks. I don't know why that comes to my mind, but you can do online surveys with Swagbucks. You can do all kinds of things. You can do little tasks and make money that way as well. So yeah, TaskRabbit I think is one that you can do. I don't know. So there's a lot of different options out there that you can choose. Yeah, these are 6 ways that I wanted to throw at you guys. For 6 different ways you can make money online completely for free without having to spend any money to make money. So if you want to start your journey with making money online, this is maybe a great start with your journey if you don't have money to invest into some business, like, you know. But yeah, so that's all for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video.